Hi, my name is Patty Hosmer, and today's lesson is on technology, on how to use Google Slides for a presentation. Okay, so you're going to sign into your Google account. And if you need one, make an email with Google. It's for free. Then you can go into your apps, Google Apps, and it looks like this. It's 9 dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. And then first you're going to make sure that you download Google Slides. It's free also. So once you are able to access Google Slides, you're going to click on it, which would be right here. Next, it'll bring you to a screen like this. There's a plus sign, and there's other slide presentations. Once you're used to doing it, you can choose which one you want, but we're gonna start with a blank presentation. So you're gonna hit the plus sign to start the presentation. And then it'll bring you to a screen like this, and you're gonna click on the bottom right-hand side. It says blank slide, there's a plus sign. Just did that. Here is what your screen should look like once you hit that plus sign. It says untitled presentation. It'll bring it, it has this highlighted, the one slide that you have in there. Okay. And then you're going to click into the box where it says untitled presentation. And you're going to go ahead, and it'll be blue. You're going to go ahead and go in there and erase this or backspace and type in whatever the name of your presentation is going to be. So just click on the left box that says untitled presentation. Okay, and then you're going to type your name of your presentation there up on top. And once you type on that, click on a slide. So there's only one slide. You're going to click on there, it'll come up blue. I'll explain that in another video. Okay, you're going to name the presentation, and then once you name it, click into the slide, and it'll automatically be saved to your Google Drive. So you don't have to like go and say save, it'll already save it. Okay, and then if you want to add how many slides you want for your presentation, you just hit the plus sign. It's on the left-hand side on the top to add slides. So you just click that as many times as you want. Say you click too many, you just click on the box here, one of these boxes, one of the slides, and hit delete, and it'll just delete the slide. And if you're like, oh no, I need more, go back and hit plus. Okay? If you want to get a copy of these Google Slides presentation, send me your email, and it'll be for free. Please hit the follow and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thank you.